Hello, my beautiful Cancer. I today came and I will I'm bringing sorry I bought the next 7 days how it will go for you. Okay, 1st October to 2nd October. Okay, I am using different cards, tarot card, and with that different oracle cards for your energy and for your ancestors and from universe and from angels. Okay, and I bought the Lenormand card also, so I will take all of the cards, 7 cards. Okay, okay, then let's begin. Sorry. I'll take 7 cards. Okay, first I'll take all the cards, then I will see what is coming. Okay, this is your energy card. What type of energy will be there in 1st to 7th? Okay, I will take 7 energy card. I'm using lots of different cards for this. Okay, if you like my reading, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. From your ancestors, what they are trying to tell you. Okay, from universe, what universe wanted to tell. Maybe I think you will have some communication problem in that time because I'm having my throat chakra is blocking. That's why I'm feeling that. Okay. Lenormand card I'm taking. Okay, now from Archangel Raphael, about your health. Okay. Okay. Then let's see what has come. Okay. Wow. Nine of Pentacles. 1st of October, you are getting Nine of Pentacles. Means your opportunity will come, and I think you want to focus on you. Okay. You want to focus on your money and finance. Okay. And they are trying to tell that door of value, means some door will open. Door will open for your near future, which will give you the money, prosperity, abundance, everything. Okay. They are trying to tell. Then next they are telling that conclusions are within reach. Okay, whatever you are thinking, okay, you wanted to do, you can get it. You have to see your health every time you are looking and focusing on your they're trying to tell that on your finance. Okay. Your prosperity, abundance, but you have to focus on your health as well, because where is your soul is living. Okay, that the vessel. Okay, and you have to focus on that, otherwise you will feel sick and you cannot do your work. You are focusing on you, your career, and your future, that also can be disrupted. Okay, so you have to be focused on that, and you have to have joy. Okay, they are trying to tell joy is the ultimate creator, so you have to feel the joy. Whatever you are getting, you should be happy on that. I think you are not happy, that's why you are feeling upset. Okay. And they are trying to tell that maybe you can not for everyone, but somebody will some people, some of you can do some new course, or new, you can do some studies. Okay, you can join new in new course. Okay. Then they are trying to tell that if you are having some problem. Okay. Or you will have some health problem, because they are trying to tell you you are having the health problem, you have to focus on your health. You have to call to your archangels, Archangel Raphael, God and goddess. They will help you, and they will come and intervene in your matter. Okay, they were trying to help you. Okay, they are trying to tell that you should call them. Okay. Next, 2nd of October, what is coming? Okay. Third, 3 of Pentacles. Maybe you will have some you can get some offer, or you will have some offer or something in this, I can see. Okay. Yes, your abundance is coming. Maybe you will get some job or a new opportunity of your business. Okay. So they are trying to tell that the abundance is coming. It's very beautiful card. Abundance is coming. Okay. 2nd of October, Cancer. Okay. You have to have the balance in your practicality and spirituality. Okay. You have to focus on spiritual practice also, because every time you are focusing on your finance, your money, so you have to have focus on spirituality also. You have to have your self-esteem. Okay. You have to do something which will help others also. Not every time thinking about yourself, you have to think about others also, they are trying to tell you. Okay. and you have to do some, you have to let go something. Maybe you are holding something which you cannot let go, okay, and that is giving you pain, okay, in your soul. So they are trying to tell that you have to let go that one, okay, and you have to be strong. Your root should be strong, okay, you should not be um, wobbly, okay, you should be strong. And I think your abundance is coming, prosperity is coming, okay. They are trying to tell that maybe you cannot forgive someone, you should forgive them, okay. If you forgive them, the abundance and prosperity will come, okay. Next is 3rd of October. Okay, you are focusing on you, you are trying to do the hard work, you are trying to do the hard work on your life, in your finance, okay, you are willing to do that. And for that you have to wait for some time, you have to have patience. Whatever you wanting, you have to have the mastery in that, okay, then you will get the result, they are trying to tell. And you have to take the action in time. If you are taking action later on, that will not work, so you have to take action in that time only. So 3rd of October, they are trying to tell that you have to take the action and should be patience. Everything is coming in divine order, divine time, okay. Look, they are trying to show you, you have to work, okay, and they will give the result in divine time. Look at this, they are trying to tell patience. 2 card has come, can you see? Can you see? 2 card has come, patience. So you have to have patience. You have thinking that, okay, I'll start today, tomorrow I will get the result. No, not like that way, okay. And they're trying to tell that energy flows within where my intention goes. You have to have the positive intention, then positive energy will go in that, and that work will happen faster, okay. And they're trying to tell maybe you will have some emotionally, you will have the burden, you will have the pain, okay. So let go that one, they're trying to tell let go that one, and focus on your work, okay. You will do work and take action now, then you can in divine time you will get the your result, okay. And they're trying to tell that you have to have look, they are trying to tell your health is not so good, you have to eat proper food also. They are trying to tell the consult with your nutritional doctor, so you can have the organic food, okay. So they're trying to tell that 3rd of October. Then 4th of October, they are trying to tell there should be some what is that called, maybe it is showing that competition will be there, okay. There will be some competition, maybe somebody want to go somebody want to show that they are more capable than you. There will be some competition, okay. And you should appreciate them, okay. You should appreciate them, okay. And you should adjust with them, okay, because they wanted to show that they are better than you, okay. Then appreciate that, okay, and adjust on that, okay. Adjust with them, and that is the required, okay. Don't doubt, okay. Don't doubt on you, okay. You can do it also. So they are telling, they are trying to tell that universe, your uh, your ancestors are trying to tell, don't doubt yourself, okay. I release the need to know all the answers, and should not doubt, okay. And you focus on you and your work, and have a faith on universe, okay. They're trying to tell that don't take any stress, do the prayer, your prayer will, they will listen, okay. Maybe somebody will come. Look at this sneaky person who wanted to make you down, in this case. But you should adjust, okay. You can understand those people are trying to make you down. look, that will you will show with your work. Okay, who is better, the work will tell. Okay, so no need to think about that. Maybe some person will come like that. This fox energy has come. Okay, oh my god, you are, if they are every time trying to tell that medicine, alternate medicine, you have to do the alternate medicine. Try to do Reiki, pranic healing and all those things. Okay, maybe crystal healing. Try to do all these things. Maybe do all these things. Eat good food. Okay, they are trying to tell that. Okay, now 5th of October, what is they are trying to tell? Okay, you are in hermit mode. Okay, you are trying, this is a very good card. Okay, you are trying to know something, trying to gather the knowledge. Okay, and look at this, they are trying to tell that you should do the your meditation. Okay, they are trying to tell that do meditation. Okay, and the good time is coming. The fiery climax are approaching to you, towards you. Okay, surrender yourself to the universe. Don't control yourself. Okay, surrender. I can release my need to control. Okay, so look at this, they are trying to tell do meditation, release your fear. Okay, and surrender yourself to the universe. They will take care of that. Okay, don't choose the fear, choose the love. You will get everything they're trying to tell. Okay, and you see, maybe one lady will come, some message will come from one lady that that will be very actually that will make your day. Okay, they're trying to tell. Okay, you will feel very happy after listening that. Okay, maybe one lady will communicate with you. You'll get some message. Okay, now 6th of October, let me see what is coming. The Hanged Man. Look at that, the Hanged Man. You cannot do anything. Okay, it's showing that all tied up. Look at this, look at the card. Means your hand is also tied. You cannot do anything. Okay, you just wait for the divine timing. Okay, you're very close to achieve your goals, but you have to wait. You have to wait for some time. Okay, your growth, you are growing. Maybe you cannot do anything, your hand is tied up, but you are growing. Okay, believe yourself. Okay, the universe are trying to show the lights, trying to show the lights. Okay, maybe your hand, you cannot do anything, you are like a hanged man, but still you are growing. Okay, and you should be loyal. You should be loyal with others, loyal with yourself. Okay, and you should do exercise. They're trying to tell you should do exercise, alternate medicine, right? Alternate medicine, exercise, yoga. You have to do all those things. Okay, now next 7th of October. Okay, let me see. Oh, Hierophant has come. Wow, very good card has come. This is, I told Hermit, right? This is, I told Hermit. Okay, the Hierophant has come, and then maybe some offer will come. Okay, some marriage proposal can come also in that day. Maybe the rich family. Okay, it's trying to show that if some offer will come, that coming from the rich family. Okay, maybe you will get some what is that called, means job opportunity or business. Okay, and you have to focus on your dream. Focus on your dream. You can, they can communicate, your universe can communicate, or higher self can communicate with your dream. Okay, and should not be sad, because maybe in past you were failure. You should see they're trying to give you the answer. I understand that that a mistake is only an opportunity to learn. That's why they are trying, giving you the time. Okay, and they are trying to tell, when I learn on certainty and faith, I change my mind about the world I see. There is some fulfillment, okay? The new beginning will start in that day, and you have to take care of your elders. They are trying to tell, take care of your family members, okay? Okay, then Cancer, my beautiful Cancer, I'll stop over here only. Okay, if you like my reading, you please give me like and like and give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Okay, okay, then see you. Bye.